Sa ilalim ng tulay mga kapatid. Nandito na tayo ngayon sa ilalom. Dito na tayo ngayon sa ilalom. Sa ilalim ng tulay tayo guys. Hi, we're here. Wala pa. You're still at within the waterways, no water system right here in Thailand. Something that is really worth cherishing for. The experience is really great. We're here. We're done, guys. We're done after an hour of travel around the waterways, and finally, we thank God that we're okay, and we're having a great time here. Having a great time. Great time. One by one.
Okay, one by one. Sir, luwero na.
Wait, ikaw sa una kaya kalibangon ka.